Welcome to the Sabre videos where we go over some of the new features of the 2022 October release from Microsoft. In this video, I'm going to show you guys about how you can select document layouts directly on the report request page. So as always, I'm going to jump right into Business Central. So I love this feature because so many people would ask me about this. They'd say, well, I have a vendor and the vendor sends me items, but I also do some subcontracting. I'd like to have a purchase order for that vendor, 2 different layouts, one for the subcontracting, let's say, and one for my regular. So now, if document layouts aren't enough because it's not one layout always for that vendor, you can select it, as I mentioned, directly on the report page. So if we navigate to, let's say, our purchase order page, we'll call up any purchase order here, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on my print send, so nothing new or different from this. I'm going to go ahead and say print. So now you'll see here you've got this report layout. So by default, it's going to look at either our report layout selection or it's going to look at the vendor card and the document layouts that we've set up. However, if I do have one scenario where I say, well, I send purchase orders, I've got 2 different purchase orders I'd like to select from, I can always click here. I can open up the different purchase order layouts that I would have specifically for that report ID. I could then select a different layout, say OK, and then I can print, and then easily I can open that up. I can see my purchase order, and then again, if I print, I've got my default. I could select the first one in that case. And then again, I could open it up, I could take a look. So, I mean, I can have lots of layouts. I can have 20 different layouts if I want. And then again, I just love the ability that when I print, I have the ability to select whichever layout that I want, and then I can go from there. For any questions regarding this feature or any features in Business Central, don't hesitate to contact us using some of the contact information below.